Hey, what's up guys? Justin with Ready Business Systems. Today I'm going to go through this property management automation. I think it's pretty cool. Just kind of starting to build this out. This is for fall maintenance, so it's shutting off the outside water and changing the furnace filters. So I took this one step further than I usually do, just because I kind of was nerding out on it. So what happens is on October 15th, it can text the property manager. So what I did is I set up a client in the system and I tagged them with the tag property manager. And what it can do is it will text them that it's time to change the furnace filters. I'm kind of between guys at the moment though, so I have turned this off. The next thing it'll do is it'll email the tenant. So again, all my tenants, because I do use Service Autopilot to mow my tenants' lawns as well, dispatch properties. So they're all in here and they have the tag of tenant on them. So I know they're tenants. So if they're a tenant, they're going to get an email. And this comes from maintenance at Yorktown Realty RI. At the moment that goes to me, but I can forward that email to whoever need be as I start delegating out tasks further. So what we do here is I bring them an email letting them know it's time to change the furnace filters, change smoke detector batteries, and shut off the outside water. Furnace filters, most tenants know how to do it themselves. I used to do it for them, but now lately people are like, oh yeah, I know how to do it. I'm gonna add one other step on here, which is a YouTube video on how to change the furnace filter. If you need help swapping them out, please let us know. So this part was my kind of one step further that I thought was pretty cool. New furnace filters have been ordered to your house and should be arriving soon if they have not already. They come in packs of 2, so please provide one to your neighbor. So what I did here is on Amazon, I have a subscribe and save for those filters once every 6 months. So what's going to happen is basically the more responsible, because they're 2-unit duplexes. I have 4 of them. So the responsible tenant on in that unit is going to get mailed the furnace filters. They come in 2 packs on Amazon. That's the only options. So it's going to get mailed to the responsible tenant, asking them to provide it to the neighbor as well. So the first thing you get is this email, then the subscribe and save, and this is all going to be automated. It's just going to mail them the furnace filters. So here's one reminder, and then we have the second reminder that they're going to actually get them in the mail. And then I put here a letter, so I'm also going to mail them a letter right here, which kind of says the same thing, but it's going to be just another way to touch base with them. People maybe don't get their don't check their email. So it's just going to be your fall maintenance notice, same that's in the email. So this is going to get mailed to them, and then it's going to wait, and then it's also going to text them a week later, just reminding them to change their furnace filters, smoke detector. So they're really getting like 4 reminders here. So yeah, I'm excited to fire this out. I think it's pretty cool. I also have this like septic pump out thing, or have the spring maintenance, which is turning things back on. And septic pump out. So this one has actually a voicemail that goes, because the septic company doesn't, actually I guess they do, they have an email address. So yeah, it's going to email the septic company every 2 years asking them to pump out the septic, and then it's going to also leave them a voicemail. It's going to email myself reminding me of that. So just kind of a rough draft of our property maintenance automation, but I'm pretty excited to get this running. Down the road, I've definitely considered doing property management for clients, because once we get this going, I have people, reliable maintenance guys, we can definitely extend this to our client base and do property management as well. So something I've definitely considered, because our mechanic also is handy in that way as well. At the moment, he's just part-time, so he could be full-time and do property management. But anyway, figured I'd share that with you guys. Pretty cool stuff. Feel free to check out the website, readybusinesssystems.com. I will catch you next time.